Gina with WTI. I was so happy with the results from the Asthma Clean Allergy Spray that I went ahead and bought the concentrate so that I could refill my bottle. So what I found is that with using this daily when my cat has been in the house, I just spray it on anything that she's touched, and I haven't had issues with allergies or respiratory problems, which is really huge because I've never been able to have a cat in the house and not experience issues. After I mixed up the new bottle with the concentrate, I spray it into the air, on all the surfaces, hardwood, carpet, fabric, and I let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This spray works amazingly well because it has minerals in it that actually dehydrate the dander. That is so cool. I love that this comes in a concentrate, so I'm not paying to have a bottle full of water shipped to me, and it's just so much better for reducing consumer waste. I will never be without this product anymore because I seriously can't live without it. If you're wondering if it's something that might be good for you, check with your physician. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.